Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode wherein we decode motion design together. I hope all of you are doing really amazing. And in today's episode, we are going to explore template distribution, right? To put it simply, let's say you have created a motion video in Kinetiq and saved it as a template, right? What happens next? How do you reuse the same template, make changes to it, and quickly generate multiple variations without starting from scratch, right? That's exactly what we'll be covering in this particular video. So let's just jump in, right? So if you look at the left hand side over here, you'd be able to find the LLM powered chat box, and just right beside that you'd be able to see the template section, right? So if I click on the template section, so as you can see that this opens up the complete template library, and at the moment there are over 160 plus templates available, giving you a wide variety of starting points for different use cases, right? But if you see right at the top, you will notice my template section, right? So this essentially contains all the motion videos that you have personally saved as templates, right? If you remember, in one of our earlier videos, we created our very first motion video and saved it as a template. That's the one we'll be working with today. And let's just open it and take a quick look at how it turned out and what are the next steps. Yeah. So let's just click the play button over here and let's just play it. All right, awesome. I think this video is pretty good. So what we can do is we can just click on use this template, and let's see how the overall architecture looks like then. So if you'd see over here on the right hand side in the preview section, the template has completely been loaded over here, right? And in the left hand section, Kinetiq has prepared something for you, right? So basically it is adding up, if at all, like what are the next steps for it, if you as a user would ask it to make some certain changes to the video, or should it like keep the video as it is, or it is giving some prompts, right? If you can see over here, to get the best results, you can let Kinetiq know, right, what the video is for, if there are any 5 image slots that you need to add, if there are any template variables that it need to personalize, and if there is any other copy or typography or font changes that you need to add it to it, right? So basically you can take it from over here, or rather you can just describe it, right, what all changes you need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another prompt for Kinetiq. So hey Kinetiq, I feel like this video isn't a smoother video, so I want more smoother transitions and 3D elements with SFX and voiceover and background music. Don't just use the images as it is, use the images as complete backgrounds. I want this to be treated as a brand launch motion video, so it needs to be more premium and aesthetic in nature. I'm done with my prompt. Let's just enter and see what it does. You can see the live adaptation status over here. You can always keep a tab on it.
Closer listening begins with presence. Aura transforms sound into form, sculpted in piano black, liquid chrome, and textured leather. Every curve is intentional, every detail engineered for weightless comfort and pure acoustic immersion. Bold structure meets hidden precision. Ruby shadow meets metallic light. For audiophiles, design purists, and tastemakers, Aura strips away the world and leaves only what matters: sound you can feel and elegance you can see.
Alright folks, that was the video. You just saw how easy it was to make changes to an already created motion video template, get a completely new one, right? And I think that's one of the core capabilities of Kinetiq that's out there. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want you guys to go and give it a try. The very first 3 videos that you guys are gonna generate is absolutely on us. It is completely free. So make sure you like the video and go hit the try now button and use